Alright, young Farflings, here we are. We have finally landed on Earth.
Let's go meet the Earth children.
Wait, who can tell us why we've come?
We're here to find out about gravity, whatever that is.
Who knows what gravity is?
I do. That's what keeps Earthlings from flying off into space. We don't have gravity on Farflung.
That's right, we're going to learn how gravity makes life here on Earth different from life on our planet.
That is a good idea.
Now, Farflings, remember to speak only Earth talk while we're here. The last group of students spoke Farflung instead of the Earth children couldn't understand them.
What kind of Earth talk should we speak? They have many languages here.
That's true. Many different people speaking many languages live on Earth. We will speak English on this trip. Now let's walk to the Earthling playground and ask the children about their play.
Wow, walking is hard. I'm getting tired. Why can't we float like we do on Farflung? Sometimes something keeps pulling my legs to the ground.
That's gravity. It pulls things down and makes your legs feel heavy. You should look out for things like that. Don't forget, we have to learn as much as we can before the Earth sun sets.
Hello, Earthlings. We are Farflings from planet Farflung.
My name is Quivet, and these are my friends Tisbel and Hardship. We've come to learn about your planet.
Our planet is far away from here,
And very different from your Earth.
but you look just like we do.
That's true, but I'll bet we find many ways in which we are different too. I've found one difference already. Because of your gravity, your legs are stronger than ours. We don't have gravity on Farflung, so our legs don't need to work as hard as yours do.
Our legs are tired already. We just walked in our spaceship. How do you get around on your planet?
We can fly, just like birds do here on Earth.
Do you eat them like birds too? Yeah, don't ask them silly questions like that. Now, Farflings, what else do you want to know about? What kinds of games do you play? You can't fly, so how do you play flying tag? We've never heard of flying tag, but we have many other games, including basketball, baseball, and football.
Do all your games use balls?
No, but a lot of them do. Because of gravity, balls bounce up and down. You can throw them, or kick them, or bounce.
That sounds like fun. How does it work?
Let me show you with this basketball. I bounce it up and down, and I throw it through the basket. And because of gravity, it makes it come down. We can do it again and again. Wow, that is cool. This is much more fun than flying tag.
There's something else about gravity I learned on my last trip to Earth. Carol has a tennis ball. It's much smaller than Alex's basketball. I'm going to climb to the top of the slide. I'll drop both balls at the same time. Which one do you think will hit the ground first?
The big one, of course.
The big one.
The big one.
Earth children, what do you think?
The big one.
I'm going to drop both balls now. Let's see what happens.
Wow, they both hit the ground at the same time.
I get it. Gravity doesn't care if an object is big or small. It pulls it down at the same rate.
All this talk about gravity is making me hungry. Let's get something to eat. Do you Earthlings like to eat? Of course we do. We have great food on our planet. Let's get a snack at our house. Follow me.
It's very nice for you to invite us over.
Where are the food packets? Don't you squirt food into your mouth like we do on Farflung? What for?
That's how we keep the food from floating away. But you don't need to do that on Earth, do you?
No, we don't need food packets. Gravity keeps our food just where we put it. Here, everybody can have a cookie and some ice cream.
Cookies aren't easy to eat. You just put them in your mouth and chew.
But how do you get the ice cream to your mouth without it falling?
I use a spoon. Watch this.
Wow. The ice cream stays on the spoon all the way to your mouth. It doesn't float away like it would on Farflung. That's really cool. But what happens when you want something to drink? I bet gravity does have an answer for that one.
Sure it does. We just pour the liquid into a glass.
Look, it went straight into the glass without spilling.
Sometimes we use these little tubes called straws to set drinks into our mouths. Want to try one?
Oh, yes, please. This is great. Hey, I had an idea. I bet we could use the straws on Farflung.
What would you use them for?
When things start to float away, we can suck them out of the air with the straws. It would be great for Farfel juice.
It would also be a reminder of you and our trip to Earth. We'll always remember both.
Wow, look at the time. Your Earth sun has almost set. We need to get back to Farfling.
Before we go, there's one thing I don't understand about your sun. Why doesn't Earth fall into the sun? Just like a basketball falls onto Earth.
Earth is always moving around the sun. It doesn't look like it, but it's going very fast. As long as Earth keeps moving, it stays in orbit around the sun and never crashes into it.
I hope Earth never stops moving. We've become such good friends already.
Thanks for teaching us about gravity. It was great too.
And thank you for the straws. Captain Farfling, can we come back sometime and learn more about Earth?
I hope so. Now say goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. And keep moving around the sun.
Goodbye.